Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings, let's tap on it, and now let's scroll down in order to find a lock screen. As you can see on the very first position we've got sleep, so let's enter, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. What's more, we can set never, so it means that after choosing this option your device will never black out. Right now we've got 1 minute applied, it is marked, so all we have to do right now is to tap on the option we'd like to use. I will pick 5 minutes, and as you can see it is notified right here that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.